Hi guys, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel here at the Sapphire Falls Hotel and Resort in Orlando, Florida, one of Universal's properties. I'm going to take you through a quick walking tour of this property. It's absolutely beautiful. As you guys know from my prior video, if you've watched it, we came down and stayed at the Cabana Bay Beach Resort, which is a super convenient resort if you're looking to go to Volcano Bay water park, Universal's water park. So that's what we did, because you're just literally steps away from that water park. And then we moved over to the Hard Rock, which is one of the premium properties. The nice thing about the Hard Rock being a premium property, it includes the skip the line passes at the parks, which is awesome. Anyway, let me just show you that. That's one of the shuttles. Again, super convenient. These guys will shuttle you to the parks, to City Walk, which is their downtown area. It's just a really convenient property. In any event, they have shuttles, water taxis that'll take you along the way. Let me show you this a little bit here, and I'll get into that a bit later. There's the luggage services that they have here to help you. As you can see, they have a stunning lobby here. They're currently holding a convention here, which is a phenomenal place for a convention. They got a ton of ballrooms here, which is awesome. It's just a beautiful, beautiful lobby. So anyway, yes, we did a split stay, as you guys know, with those two properties, Cabana Bay and Hard Rock. And then we also came here unexpectedly. We extended our stay by a day so we could check out this property. Now when you come here, there's also this amazing restaurant, bar, tavern, whatever you want to call it, called Strongwater Tavern. It is absolutely stunning. This place is gorgeous. It's a bit dark now because they're closed, but I just want to get you a feel for what it looks like. I mean, everything they do here is all quality. Everything's scratch cooking, scratch cocktails. We had some cocktails here last night, myself and the wife, and they were fantastic. They're really known for their rums, and they make cocktails. Anytime you make a cocktail, let's say with bourbon, they'll mix it up with rum, but they've got a full bar. They'll make whatever you want, or you can simply have a beer or a non-alcoholic beverage if you so choose. They also have this beautiful patio here outside, and it is gorgeous. If you look at that little spot right there, that's where the water taxis come in. One just left here a few minutes ago. Right there up ahead is the Hulk, one of the amusement rides there. Islands of Adventure, if I'm not mistaken. So great, you want to come out here, grab a cocktail, bring your dinner out here. It's a great little spot. They also have this amazing little spot here. If it gets a bit chilly, you want to warm up a bit at night. Nice fire pit area, which is just beautiful. We also sat here last night, and there's that view again of the water taxi area and the water park. Excuse me, the park up ahead with the Hulk ride sitting over there. So again, this is a place that if I was staying here for a bit, this is where I'd be hanging out. It's just gorgeous. Very, very nice. Let me give you a peek at the menu here. And then they have this little lounge area here. In this lounge area, people just hang out, they watch games. Last night they had the basketball game on over here. So again, great little spot if you want to watch the game. And we take you a walk through the rest of this lobby. As you can see, it's just absolutely beautiful. People are just starting to move around. They have a Universal Studio store here, pretty much a gift shop. It's got all Universal type stuff, and then of course your basic amenities that you might need. They've also got a Starbucks here. Everybody loves their Starbucks. And this Starbucks has, which is in combination with Dutch trading, has some ice cream, smoothies, grab and go snacks, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And like I mentioned, they have all these ballrooms over here. And they're having a convention here, so I won't really go too deep into it. But as you can see, people are heading over to the convention that they're having. So great property for conventions, for weddings, for big groups. And price-wise, it's extremely affordable. Now, this property does not include the skip the line. But again, you could also do a split stay here. You could stay here for a couple of days. I mean, we chose to come and relax for a few days before going to the parks. And then we got a 3-day park pass. And then we stayed at the Hard Rock for that. And here's their stairwell. As you can see, it's hard to really appreciate the beauty of this thing, but it's all beautiful stonework. Just gorgeous. So yes, so we stayed at the Hard Rock, and then that included the skip the line passes. So I'm gonna try to take you over to the pool area. Just want to get you a feel for what this looks like, guys. It's just a gorgeous walkway. Anyway, let's try to head over to the pool real quick. They also have this arcade here for the kids. Calypso. See if it's open. It is. So keep the little guys, little girls entertained. They've also got a beautiful room, which is just incredible. So if you like to work out while you're on vacation, you've got that as well. We've got pool tables, ping pong tables. As you can see, nice place to just hang out with the kids or adults as well. Everything is secured here by key cards, which is nice. So your security is always first at mind here. Again, some of the stuff is still closed down. Now they have a little area you can buy floats, sunscreen, all that fun stuff. You've got cabanas, as you can see, that can be rented out. And those cabanas have TVs in them. Just really, really nice. Keep you out of the super hot sun if you're coming at a hot time of year, such as the summer. Fans. Just beautiful. They've got sand here to make you feel like you're on the beach. And it looks like the pool's about 3 foot tall. Maybe as you can see, it's just gorgeous. They've got rivers running through it. And the nice thing about Universal properties, they have got lifeguards everywhere. As you can see, they're all over the place. And right now in the morning, the pool's not that busy yet, but they're still flanking this entire pool. So you can chill out by the pool, knowing that your kids are safe. And that's really, really important And also enjoy your vacation. Last thing you want to do is sit there, relax, and worry about your children. At these Universal properties, they are right there watching them, which is great. So as you can see, it's just an amazing pool area. Just beautiful. And this isn't even considered a premium property of theirs, but it feels pretty premium to me. Again, there's those cabanas. This place has got palm trees everywhere. I mean, it really makes you feel like you're in the Caribbean. It's great. You got little splash areas here for the little ones to play in and cool off. I mean, as you can tell, guys, there's seating everywhere. You'll never ever wait for a seat around here. Little area to lounge in, a heater, and also a roof, so if it's too hot or if it's raining for whatever reason, you're covered up. They've also got a fire pit area here, and they do, in the gift shop there, sell marshmallows, chocolates, and the sticks there to do your s'mores, which is really awesome for the kids. You got restrooms pretty much everywhere as well. So just a fun pool area. And there is their club, the Club. And it's just beautiful. It's a little outdoor bar area. I believe it opens up at 10 a.m. So a nice place to get out of the sun and have a quick drink. You got a hot tub. Up there is the slide, you got a water slide area. You can see it right up there. So, in any event, guys, without getting too much deeper into it, it's just a great option if you come down to Universal, or if you just want to come down to Orlando and hang out. I just think it's a beautiful spot. And like I said, this place will not break the bank. And I do highly recommend, if you're staying for a longer stay, 6-7 days, maybe even 5 days, doing a split stay. And that way you can kind of get the best of both worlds without breaking the bank. I mentioned that skip the line stuff. Personally, we are here at low season, and I will tell you, even at low season, if I didn't have those skip the line passes, it would have been a little aggravating. Because you can't really get on all the rides quickly. You spend a lot of time just sitting, sitting in line, and that's no fun. So I highly recommend the skip the lines, whether you purchase them or whether you do what we did and stay at a premium property and have those skip the lines included. Just something to think about. Now, if you've got those park passes for 3 days, in order to go do the skip the line for 3 days, you have to be staying. You can do the parks on the days that you're staying at those premium properties. So again, if you were staying at Cabana Bay or you were staying here, those days would be days you wouldn't be doing the park. So in our case, we had a few days that we had no parks, or went to Volcano Bay, which doesn't accept those passes anyhow. So we kind of just chilled out, relaxed, enjoyed ourselves that way. Then we went to Hard Rock, and those are the days that we did the other 2 parks for the time that we stayed at Hard Rock. And then we came here, which is just a chill day, hang out by the pool day. And you're not doing parks, so it really didn't matter. Anyway, guys, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel. If you guys have any more questions, please reach out to Kelly Furtado at 401-338-9278. Or you can reach her at Kelly Furtado at anchorsawaytravelri.com. Or you can reach us on the web at anchorsawaytravelri.com. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please hit the like button below. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Have a great day.